take the valve stem out. Makes it a little easier. There it went. Okay. So now we have to do the other side. And then we can pull this tire off. Put our new tire on. And there it goes. Okay, so we broke it loose on both sides. I'm going to start over here from the non-valve stem side. Ooh, I don't know, this may be a over. It doesn't. Maybe not as bad as I thought. Okay, so I'm in there with that. Then I can get in there with one more. Get this started. And usually a smaller bite is better than a big bite. So if you do it like that, and you get you a smaller bite instead of coming too far over here, then that helps. And then I can pull the screwdriver out and get another bite and work that sucker right on around, like so. Every time I'm making a video, right? Hello? Yeah, can I help you? Okay. Salesman. Alright, so anyway, we got her off on one side. Okay, so now when you get here, you're basically doing the same thing as you did before, except you're going to pull the wheel one out this time. Now the big truck wheel, you can actually, the wheel's heavy enough, you can actually take your bar like this on a truck wheel and pick it up off the ground and go like that, and the wheel will fall right out of it. And it would come out a lot easier. This wheel would come out of here easier if I had soaked it up with, I don't know, like Dawn dishwashing liquid or something. So anyway, I just did helped a buddy do his buddy's, what was a tractor tire the other day. He was trying to do it by himself, having a rough time. Okay, so you see, we're right here at this point, and there you go. Okay, so this is what I found. I found a nut that would thread on the end of that valve stem just a little bit. It ain't the right threads, but it's got a couple threads caught there. Pretty good. Put a nut on it. Use no pair of vice grips. This is OK ingenuity, I guess we'll call it. Anyway, it's another way to do it without the tools. Maybe. Let's see if it works. Slick as a button. Uh-oh. Now I gotta get the nut off of it. Okay, that wasn't a problem. So that was how to do that without having to spend $20 for the tool that you thread on there and pull it through. We're going to attempt to get this tire on this wheel without anything other than just shop tools and maybe a little bit of this protectant. Because this is kind of oily and it'll work a lot like soap water, I think. We'll see how this goes. She's trying to slide on there. Well, don't knock my... Okay. I've got it on there quite a ways. take this little screwdriver pry bar and go inside and see if I can help it on around. I'd probably have better luck with this if I had it on the ground. There we go. So I got a screwdriver. And this is like, you need a third arm. So yeah, I think this is gonna work maybe. So the slickhead might be working against me now. And I may have pushed it down too far. Okay. Got that down a little more on that side. A little more. Okay, I think we're gonna get it. Small bites. So I'm sticking the tool in here like this with the wedge up and then turning it over once I'm inside. So I'm locked onto the wheel. Okay. So there we go. Now when you get it on there, it's good to just take the part and go like that. And basically that almost seals it all the way around on both sides. I think I can shoot a little air to that, and I think we're in good shape. Let's see. Yep. See what's still up here? Should pop. Maybe it won't pop. Okay. We're going to call that good.